Hello, in this video I will show you how to connect any Fire-Boltt smartwatch to your phone. The first step is to activate Bluetooth and GPS location on your phone and make sure that your phone has an internet connection. The smartwatch needs to be charged, turned on and not connected to any other smartphone. Next step, install the Dapper application from your application store. Open the application on your phone and follow the steps shown in the video to connect the smartwatch to your phone. Once connected, the time and date will update automatically on the smartwatch. As you can see, the watch has been successfully connected to my phone and the time and calendar have been updated. Here is a video on how to change the wallpaper on this smartwatch. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.